Hey, how's it going? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. I'm super excited for today. Yes, as already see the titles of the video, this is gonna be a Dell 1545 review, 10 years old laptop. Yes, I'm super excited to see if this laptop after 10 years is still good to use. I'm super surprised actually. I had this laptop for 10 years. I bought this laptop, actually, I bought it from Greece 10 years ago. So I paid about 550 euros back in the days. This was crazy price for this laptop. It was mid-range, but back in the days was something very strong in a way that this laptop, let's see the specs quickly. So this laptop is with Intel Core Duo, so it's a dual core processor, 2 gigahertz, 3 gigabytes of RAM. So back in the days, this was a big machine. 2.6, so 2.6 kilograms, so quite heavy. The display is 1366 by 76A. So, well, HD display obviously back in the days was big thing. 3 gigabytes of RAM. So let's see quick the sides of the Dell 1545. So as you can see on the side, we have the VAG port. Back in the days, this was a big thing. Internet port. Also, we have the charging port here and 2 USB-A ports. Here we have the headphone jack and the microphone jack as well, and also expandable memory. You can put a SD card, which is pretty good. And let's see other side, and we have another USB-A port, and we have the DVD CD drive. Yeah, back in the day it was a big thing. And on the top with the Dell branding. Actually, I don't have the battery. The battery is gone. So I mean, this thing was futuristic back in the days. Yeah, that's a cool word. So let's boot up the Dell 1545's 10 years old laptop, and let's see how it works, and let's see if it's gonna be good. I'm super excited. This is 10 years old laptop. Okay, so let's boot the laptop for the first time. Actually, I booted up a couple of days ago. It didn't want to turn on for some reason. And the keyboard, actually this is not the original keyboard. Quite mushy and very noisy, as you can see. But hey, back in the days was a good thing. So let's boot up the Dell 1545. The fans start to kick in. That's always. I hope you can see properly on the camera. This is running Windows 10, surprisingly. Let's see. Wow, that's me actually. Yeah, this is a stupid picture. But this thing still works after 10 years. I mean, the boot up is, let's say, about 40 seconds. Well, yeah, this is long. Okay, so now we're Windows 10. Amazing. Okay, so let's see what Windows is running. Also, we'll see the memory. This thing is running 3 gigabytes of RAM, It's a dual core. Actually, the processor is Intel Pentium. Let me double check. Intel Pentium T420. I don't know. This is quite old Intel processor. So pretty good. Pretty good actually. So yeah, this is Windows 10 on a 10 years old Dell, which is super cool actually. So let's go to the settings and let's see the memory of this Dell Inspiron or Inspiron. I don't know what is the right way to say. Go to settings. Let's go to the system. I don't know if you can see properly. And let's go to the memory storage. As you can see, I don't know if you can see properly, we have 249 gigabytes free. So that's pretty good actually. But this thing is amazing, 10 years old and still works. Let's try to browse a little bit. Let's go to internet and see. Obviously, we're gonna use the official browser of Microsoft. Okay, that's good. It's actually loading pretty fast actually. We can scroll here. Okay, so let's, just for the sake of this video, let's go to YouTube and put one of my videos. The sound quality probably is gonna be very bad, but obviously this is a 10 years old computer, so, but back in the days it was amazing, 10 years old. But 550 euros, nah, I think was a good price back in the days, but still expensive. Okay, so let's go to one of my videos. So let's type Stefan. Now it's a little bit slow. Genov. It's quite slow. Yeah, it's quite slow. Yeah, this is me. Let's put one of my videos. Probably. Let's see how fast it's gonna load the video. So what video should I put? Let's. Today it's a very special video. Today it's a very special day. I'm excited, to be honest. So my channel just hit 200 subscribers, and I'm super This is the full max sound. I have 200 subscribers, and yeah, so now it's been more than 1 year, and I'm doing YouTube. Let's my channel just play one of my watched videos, should I say. Hello, this is Stefan. Apologize about the movements I'm gonna do right now. I had an issue a few days ago. This is gonna be bonus video, which I'm gonna upload straight away. Let's go straight to the problem. So I had a problem a few days ago when I tried to change my channel art on my YouTube channel. So now let's go to. Let's put it on the full screen to see the display. Okay, so this is my YouTube. As you can see here. So this is my channel. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I don't know if you can see properly. You know, I had this problem a few days ago. I tried to change my not bad, art. Not bad. So actually, let's try to change the channel art. Oopsie. Not bad actually. I mean, this is 10 years old laptop and still works, and the most interesting thing is Cortana works as well. So let's say something to Cortana. And hello, Cortana. I need to speak loud.
Hi. It's Veterans Day. A day to acknowledge those who served their country.
Interesting. How are you today?
Staying positive like a charged atom.
Well, Cortana works. That's pretty interesting, actually. I mean, this thing is slow, but you can still do some browsing, do some emails, and I know it's old, but actually it's pretty good. Let me know if you want to see some comparison. That'll be interesting to see this, just for the fun. But yeah, pretty good actually. I'm excited that this thing still works. 10 years old, pretty good. My name is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button, and I hope I'll see you next time. This is Stefan.